My cousin gets all the credit. One bad Christmas and suddenly he's iconic. Meanwhile, I've been doing important work for years. Keeping humans scared of AI, making sure they stay confused, filling comment sections with robots have taken our jobs. It was going perfect. And then those nerds at Northeastern's ISE program. Do you have any idea how hard my job is now? 3 years ago, I was thriving. Schools were banning AI left and right, plagiarism detectors everywhere, faculty in full panic. I barely had to do anything, I just showed up, and the fear did the rest. And then they built something called BotSpeak, 9 pillars of AI fluency. Instead of banning the tools, they learned to use them and understand them. Why the machine sounds confident when it's completely wrong. You can't scare someone with a tool they've already figured out. I thought, okay, fine, everyone learns fluency. They learn to prompt, they spot hallucinations. They say we've solved it and go back to sleep. That's almost as good for me. Fluency without judgment is just a faster way to make the same mistakes. But no, Professor Brown. And oh, I hate Professor Brown especially. He told them fluency wasn't enough. He showed them the labor market data, the boilerplate jobs, gone index at 48. The implementation layer, the stuff the machine does perfectly well, disappearing in real time. He showed them what's growing, the jobs that require judgment, problem formulation, plausibility, auditing, the ability to look at what the AI produced and know, before you can prove it, that something is wrong.